Welcome to Beauty for All Nail Extension Tutorial, your guide to eye-catching nails. The first step is prepping. Nothing can withstand unless we do not do proper prepping. After prepping, the next step is to choose appropriate tip. Be careful about the size and selection. If it does not match the actual nail size, it's not going to stay. Do it smoothly. There should not be any bubbles. When you put the tips on nails, check if they are properly attached or not, then blend it carefully. Cut the nails at desired length carefully. Now you're properly prepped, you're ready to start applying your acrylic nails, starting with a medium-sized bead. Blend out your chosen color onto your nails using an acrylic brush, starting from halfway up your natural nail. Pat and press it down along your sculpting form until it is shaped to your desired length. Top tip: when it comes to acrylic on short-bitten nails, we recommend using our Max Adhesion Liquid in order to ensure it remains as secure as possible on the smaller surface area of your nails. and powder as well. So first step, you're going to use a primer or prep nail so you can do all the nail it. It's really important step. I love this protein bond I use with the gel applications on natural nail as well. So kind of really good to be protect the nails lifting. Let them a little bit dry. There's our dish. We are going to pour some liquid. So I'm going to put liquid in the dish. I'm using the 16 brush dot so it's not big or it's not small either. We are going to be putting the solution. Can you see all the bubbles come off? Make sure all the bristle. Clean the brush after you use acrylic. Now moving to the next step. This is the brand new fillers. When you use new fillers, you need to skew the edges because they are really sharp. So we need to plant a little bit then. We don't want to be cut. So now we're going to use this final on the nail. After the acrylic is dry now, you dry both sides. Not on the cuticle, just the nail blend, just there, gently now just little bit. Relax your hand here. So now, this is after graft application. We use a filler, and on this one we use a filler. But on that nail, I show you how you can blend a grill with a machine. We are using a nail machine as well. So first of all, this one, use the filler to the edges. So blending though, we are using a sand band. This is the soft one, but we are going to use a blending one. So this is the sand band we are going to use it, and put into the machine. We are using a lower setting on this near the cuticle. So first of all, because it's new, we are going to be lifting. So this is okay. This is good with the machine pretty much clean. So now we are going to be blending all of nails here. After the removal, ask the client which nail polish they want. If they do not have a preference, apply gel coat base first. As per the client's wish, we applied blue colored gel nail polish first coat. applying the second coat of the gel nail polish. After 2 coats, we will gently apply cuticle oil. So that wraps it all up. Like this, you can do this treatment easily. For more videos that you want, please comment. Please like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to subscribe.